Yeah, so things have just been kind of rough. It's nice to finally have a day off and relax and go do my own thing. And
Yeah, you hitting the beach or something?
nah, well, yeah, you go take a walk. Don't have a whole lot of money, so
Yeah, no, I feel you there. That's why I'm driving Uber.
like, is there any way maybe I can pay you cash for the ride instead of through the Uber? I mean,
No, we got to do it through the app. Sorry. Yeah, sorry about that.
well,
Because, you know, the ride is...
yeah, I mean, it just sucks, you know, 10, 15 bucks goes to who knows what.
Well, it's for insurance and, you know,
Yeah.
licenses and stuff, so
Yeah, no.
it all adds up.
I'd imagine.
Yeah.
Oh, shit. Oh,
What'd you just do?
I accidentally canceled the ride.
Why
I'm
did you
sorry.
cancel the ride?
I didn't mean to. I was just looking at it, and then that's when I asked the
Bro.
question. I was still on the screen, and well, can I just pay you cash? And
Dude, I just said I can't do cash.
shit.
It's like, it's got to go through the app for insurance and stuff.
Well, then who do I go to? What do I do to fix it and like start the ride again?
Well, you can't. Like, it's already ended. Like, you can't even reorder me. Like, it doesn't. You can't. It's gonna go to somebody else.
Okay, can we try?
I mean, you can try, but it's gonna probably pair up with somebody else because there's people waiting for rides. That's how it works. There's a wait system. I mean, do you have any other way to pay?
Cash?
Dude, I just said I can't do cash.
Oh shit. Cash app?
I don't have Cash App.
Oh fuck. Zen 12?
What?
Yeah.
I don't have Zen 12.
It's all the rage in Taiwan.
Taiwan, dude, we're in America.
Yeah.
I'm pretty sure that doesn't even exist.
Well, it's all digital currency anyways. What's the big deal?
I don't know. I don't do Bitcoin or anything like that.
Well,
so.
then what do you want to do?
Honestly,
How do you want to fix it?
I don't know. You're the one who canceled the ride, so
I know, and I want to fix it.
Okay, well, I don't know. You want to drive?
Sure.
That was a joke.
Oh.
You can't drive my car.
Why not?
Well, there's probably a reason you're taking an Uber in the first place. You probably don't even have your license.
No, I have a license.
Okay, so why aren't you driving then?
Just can't keep the cars.
Oh yeah. Okay. So, you know what? I think it's just better if you order somebody else.
Okay.